Hello, today is Wednesday. It is the second day of July 2014. Welcome to today's silver chart analysis. My name's Derek, and we're going to start this off by doing a very quick analysis on the daily chart for silver. And then I made a math question for the very end of this video. So let's get started here. Price action as we get past 11 a.m. Eastern Time, a little over 21. Up about 19 cents, less than 1%, and volatility close to 1 2/3%. This period in here barely made a new high, as did yesterday, so far as did today, so it's really not technically a breakout. I think I'd want to see it go above this line. Again, warning signs that the first breakout or breakdown just might be that of a failed move. However, with that being said, it's corrected sideways through time. If this goes higher and you see further momentum, it's not a surprise. But I did get some comments yesterday on the COT report stating don't bet against the commercials that are betting for this thing to go lower. And they apparently are. I did check it out. So we'll see how this all plays out. If it's right, well, it's going to be a significant leg lower. What would it be significant to? Here, 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 even lower? I don't know. But I personally, of course, am into the physical gold, silver, really silver actually, because I do not believe that the fiat currency is worth holding on to. I'm basically calling the central bankers bluff, and I'm doing so by buying physical silver. There's not much more to go over within this. If there's major updates or major changes within the chart, aka major breakout, major pullback, then I'll do a video later on after the close. Other than that, this will be the only video for today. It's consolidating more, so nothing has really changed. As far as the range that I gave out yesterday at 2115 to really 2080, I kind of broke yesterday. Because every single time, if you would have bought at 2085, sold at 2115, thus shorted down to the 85, you would have been won every single time. Yet yesterday you would have shorted at 2115 and it hasn't made it down, of course, to 2085. Therefore, 2 consecutive days not finding support down here, thus finding support at a higher level. So not much more to go over. That'll be it. Again, get this upper band. It's been above it for many days, and it's not going to be long before this band reaches within this area here. When it does, price action, if it does not go higher, the band will flatten out. Let's go on to a math question. This is probably grade 11 or grade 12 style. So for those of you who are leaving, thank you for tuning in. And the question is this. David has an account with Real Money Only Bank. The bank only has 3 kinds of money, which are gold, silver, and copper. Dave's current balance is 46.137 grams of gold and wants to withdraw his entire account and getting the fewest coins possible. Gold coins are issued by the weights of 1, a half, quarter, 1/10, and 1/20 troy ounces. Silver coins, 1, half, quarter, and 1/10 troy ounces. This is not a trick question. Even though this says regular ounces, I'm not trying to trick you into figuring out these coins by regular ounces. No, troy ounces only. Copper coins, again in troy ounces, weighed in at 5, 1, half, quarter, and 1/10. The gold to silver ratio is 44.2. The gold to copper ratio is 5,421 in 1. There is no premium for this transaction. Which coins would Dave receive and priced in gold after the transaction is completed? What would David's balance be? So I'll give the answer in about 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you are interested in calculating it yourself. And the answer for the question is as following. David would get 1 1-ounce gold coin, 1 1/4-ounce gold coin, and you can see the rest within silver and gold, or silver and copper as well. And the leftover balance would be 0.00024358 grams of gold. The next video, I'll do another question which will be based on science and physics, and yes, I'll be using gold and silver within it. Take care.